Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to talk about rly.fun. I know I showed a little bit in my last video when I was talking about God, but I didn't realize that rly.fun was this early. Like, it was released the 2nd of December, so it's just over a week old, and I really love how it works. So it is just like Pump.fun. You can launch new meme coins here. Of course, you need to connect your wallet to do that. But we are not going to launch any coins right now. But let me show you how it looks. So this is the top tokens. You can see them by market cap. We have Godfather. We have Gnomi, Ho, Harry Otter, really funny one, Cabal, and some other. And you can see the market caps, they vary between 200 and 300,000. When they reach 690,000, that's when they get bonded and gets released to the real market like OC Swap and the other dexes. So that's when they get more exposure. This is like a pre-market, more like a pre-sale, just like Pump.fun. But what I like about this website is, like Pump.fun, they don't have any coins. They don't share their revenue. This platform is made by the guys that made early, the second biggest token, number 2 after Radix on Radix network. So this is really big, and they launched around here, no, there, here, 2nd of December. So this is really early, and you are early. If you check the chart, how it looks and how it performed for the last months, it's looking amazing. So guys, this is a big opportunity because all the trades on rly.fun, they generate volume, and this volume, they take like 1% of each transaction, plus it's a small cost of like 50 or 60 Radix to launch a coin. So all this profits goes back to buying early, and that way they will pump the coin. So you will see early pump a lot because of that. And right now rly.fun is so small, like their Telegram group only has 120 people. That's amazing. We are so early. Most projects on Solana have more people than that. Like a small meme coin on Solana can have more people than that. So this is so big in my eyes. We are so early and to rly.fun. This is so funny. I love it. So this is one of my favorite coins, God. But to be honest, there's so many nice coins here. I just want to buy everything, but I can't. So you have to be a little bit picky. I made a video about God when it was like 120,000 market cap. Now it's reached 270,000, and it peaked yesterday around 310,000. But I believe this will bond in the next few days, and then it will get released to the main indexes. I can show you the other ones that have graduated. There's a few. So these guys, they made meme coins here, and their meme coins are now on this market. So you can find them over here. So that's how it works. So when you get enough buys, enough people in, you reach 690 market cap, 690k, then you get to this place. So here you can find all these coins that you saw over here. Most of them, at least, all of them, of course. Rugi, Gusi Grotta, and some other. So that was the Rotta, and that's Rugi. You can find Space GT. I bought some of that too, even before I knew where it originated from. So they all came from rly.fun, and that's amazing. So guys, don't miss out on this opportunity. I really believe that Radix is like early and so like small right now. There's so little people. Like if we bring in a little more people, like let's say 100 people, can move the prices a few X's, because right now it's more like PvP. We are fighting each other. But when new people enter, we don't need to fight anybody because everything will go up. So if you have patience and if you chill this to your friends, you can imagine that your projects will go up, because it doesn't take many people to bring a price up. It takes a few people to buy to take a price up, a few people to sell to go down. That's why if we bring more people, I believe rly.fun will be the next Pump.fun, and Radix will be the next Solana. So don't miss out, guys. I've never seen a network with like anything you buy goes up, or at least not to zero like they do in Solana and other chains. Like most of the coins that get released here do really, really, really well. Like it's amazing. Like look, 7 days profit. Most of these are in profit over the 7 days, and big profits also. Of course, there are some losers always, but look, it's not a lot. Yeah, I know. I made a video about just a chill guy. It didn't go really well, but that's how life is. Not every coin will do great, but if you look at these coins, they didn't go down that much. Like that's all the coins that they have right now. Like if you look at Solana, this is how many coins they release every minute. So guys, don't miss out. Buy some, hold, and make some money and enjoy. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments or join my Telegram group, and I will gladly help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.